Now that you have learned to read and write in text file format, let's learn to read and write in another file format known as comma separated values file, or simply CSV. CSV is like a text file, but the data are arranged in rows and columns. Many transactional type of data are arranged in rows and columns, so it is useful to learn to handle CSV files. For example, in stock market data, share prices are typically arranged in rows and columns. So in this example, there is a name column that contains the names of the listed companies, and there is a last done column that contains the last traded share price. There is a volume column that contains the transactional volume of the last traded price, and so on. Every share price transaction and its related data are arranged as rows and separated by the column's name. Let's look at another example where the data is also arranged in rows and columns. Now in this example, the data shows the transactional records of customers' order in an Excel spreadsheet. Each column provides the details of the transaction, such as the transaction ID in column 1 or A, the name of the customers, the order number, the order date of the item, and the shipment date after the order, and so on. And like share price data, each transactional record is written as rows separated by the column's name. A CSV file has a file extension of .csv. In a Windows machine, a CSV file is usually opened as an Excel spreadsheet by default. So this may give you the false impression that the file is an Excel file with a XLSX extension. We can also open a CSV file with a text editor like Windows Notepad, and the data will look very much like a plain text file. Every line in a CSV is a row of data separated by commas, and the commas give the columnar nature of the CSV. Optional headers are created on the first row, separated by commas too. Reading and writing on a CSV file is similar to a text file with two additional steps. First, import the built-in CSV module, and second, to instantiate or to create a CSV object for reading and writing the data after opening the file. Now, using the built-in CSV module is the most native way to handle CSV files in Python. Besides built-in CSV module, Python also has a module known as pandas that can handle CSV and other file formats too. Pandas can handle large quantity of data as compared to the CSV module, but it will require additional installation to Python. You will learn about pandas in the analytics module as you progress in your course. For now, we'll stick to the fundamental way of reading and writing CSV files using the CSV module. Let's dive in.